why you should freeze eye cream. Oh, 100% of people don't know. Follow me, because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you spent all this time without knowing this important information. Eye cream is a staple in many skincare routines. But what if there's a way to make it even more effective? Imagine boosting its ability to tackle puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines just by changing how you store it. Yes, freezing your eye cream could be the secret weapon your skincare routine is missing. It's simple, effective, and surprisingly backed by science. Let's dive into the details and uncover why this hack is a game changer for your skin. Puffiness is one of the most common complaints when it comes to under-eye skin. Whether it's due to lack of sleep, stress, or allergies, swelling under the eyes can make you look tired and older. Frozen eye cream helps tackle this issue by using the power of cold. When applied, the chilled cream causes blood vessels under the skin to constrict, reducing puffiness almost instantly. It's like having a mini spa treatment right in your freezer. But that's not all. Freezing your eye cream can also help improve the appearance of dark circles. Cold temperatures stimulate blood circulation, which is essential for lightening those stubborn shadows under your eyes. While the active ingredients in your eye cream work to brighten and hydrate, the cold amplifies their effectiveness, helping them penetrate deeper into the skin. Fine lines and wrinkles? Frozen eye cream can make a noticeable difference. Cold temperatures tighten the skin, giving it a firmer, smoother look. This effect is particularly beneficial for the delicate under-eye area, where signs of aging often appear first. While the cream works to nourish and repair your skin over time, the cold provides an instant lift that leaves your eyes looking refreshed and youthful. Hydration is another area where frozen eye cream shines. Many eye creams contain hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which draws moisture into the skin. When applied cold, these creams not only hydrate, but also help lock in moisture more effectively. The cold slows down the evaporation process, ensuring that your skin stays plump and hydrated for longer. You might be wondering if it's safe to freeze eye cream. The answer is yes, as long as you follow a few simple guidelines. Transfer your eye cream into a small, freezer-safe container to protect it from contamination and to avoid damaging the original packaging. This also makes it easier to scoop out just the right amount. Here's a fun and practical tip. Freeze small portions of your eye cream in an ice cube tray. This way, you'll have single-use doses ready whenever you need them. Let the frozen cream soften slightly before applying it with your ring finger. The cooling sensation will feel soothing, and you'll notice the benefits almost immediately. But why stop at convenience? Let's talk about how freezing can enhance the effects of specific ingredients. If your eye cream contains caffeine, for instance, the cold boosts its ability to reduce puffiness by shrinking blood vessels. If it includes brightening agents like vitamin C, the cold helps these ingredients work more efficiently to fade dark circles and even out skin tone. And if it has anti-aging compounds like retinol or peptides, the cold can enhance their absorption, maximizing their benefits. Cold therapy, or cryotherapy, has long been a trusted method in skincare. It reduces inflammation, promotes circulation, and accelerates skin repair. Freezing your eye cream essentially brings these benefits into your daily routine in a way that's both easy and affordable. You're not just using a product, you're enhancing it. Still skeptical? Let's consider a real-life scenario. It's Monday morning, and you've had a weekend filled with late nights and little sleep. Your eyes are puffy, your dark circles are more pronounced, and your skin feels dry. You reach into your freezer, grab your frozen eye cream, and gently apply it to your under-eye area. Within minutes, the puffiness starts to fade, your dark circles look lighter, and your skin feels cool and refreshed. It's like hitting the reset button for your face. Now, let's address a common concern. Can freezing damage the ingredients in eye cream? The answer is no for most high-quality products. Skincare formulations are typically stable enough to handle freezing temperatures without losing their effectiveness. However, if your cream contains alcohol or other volatile compounds, it's best to check the label or consult the manufacturer before freezing. Freezing eye cream can offer several surprising benefits for your skincare routine. Here's why you might want to give it a try. 1. Reduces puffiness. Cold temperatures help constrict blood vessels, which can decrease swelling and reduce the appearance of puffy eyes. Frozen eye cream provides an instant cooling effect for tired or irritated eyes. 2. Enhances absorption. The cooler temperature can improve how your skin absorbs the cream, making the active ingredients more effective. 3. Soothes irritation. A frozen or chilled eye cream can help calm redness, inflammation, and irritation caused by fatigue or allergies. 4. Improves circulation. The cold sensation stimulates blood flow around the eye area, helping to brighten dark circles and refresh dull-looking skin. 5. Reduces wrinkles. Consistent use of frozen eye cream can help tighten the skin, making fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable over time. 6. Boosts morning refreshment. Applying a chilled product feels invigorating, perfect for waking up in the morning and energizing your skin. 7. Prolongs shelf life. Storing eye cream in the freezer can help preserve its active ingredients and prevent bacterial growth, especially if it contains natural or organic components. How to freeze eye cream safely. Place your eye cream in an airtight container to prevent it from drying out or absorbing odors. Leave it in the freezer for a few hours or overnight, but allow it to thaw slightly before applying. Enjoy the soothing benefits of frozen eye cream, but always ensure the temperature isn't too harsh to avoid discomfort.